Mabuhay! What's up, you guys? It's Elijah Chell here again from Daily Pinoy. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna take you out to the best Pungko-Pungko in town. And we are going to Pungko-Pungko sa Fuente! For today, I'm gonna be with my friends, with Pearly, Rogie, and Pauline. Say hi, guys!
Hi!
Yeah, so they are my ever supportive friends who will be coming with me and eating Pungko-Pungko with me today. So by the way, guys, Pungko-Pungko is a famous street food here in Cebu. Pungko-Pungko in English is actually squat. Squat. So Pungko is literally like sitting down like a little kid, like that. And we're gonna try it now for you guys. Let's go! Guys, when you eat Pungko-Pungko here, the people are so warm. They will greet you with like that. Okay guys, so this is what we call the chicharron bulaklak. Yeah, so we're gonna try this now. This is the best Pungko-Pungko street food ever. Wow. So they have crabs and chicken and pork chop and they are so welcoming, guys. So you should eat here in Pungko-Pungko sa Fuente. Okay, guys. So if you're gonna eat Pungko-Pungko, you're also gonna pair it with the puso. The puso is a hanging rice here in Cebu. You should also try this one. It's so yummy, especially when it's hot. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by eating this chicharron bulaklak. Chicharron bulaklak is crispy intestines. Now I'm gonna munch on this chicharron, my first bite, with sili or the chili, pepper, and onions. Never gets old. So guys, this is how we eat Pungko-Pungko here. Pungko-Pungko is like sitting in this kind of bench, a small bench, like squatting. This is actually the traditional way of eating Pungko-Pungko. For me, it's not only a snack, but it's like for dinner or lunch.
These fried food might look normal to you, but when paired with its special sauce and chili and onions, it's just really one of a kind. Most Cebuanos from all walks of life always come back for more.
So now I'm gonna be eating the tinagas. It's like elongated ngoyong, Chinese ngoyong. Yummier. This is my second puso, guys. This is my third ginabot. So the onions make it seem so yummy. This is a small lumpia. Worth... Kuya, tagpila ni? 20. So I'm honestly not a food critic, but the Pungko-Pungko is so yummy. I can't stop eating.
Kanibos.
Especially the hanging rice. It's so soft. So guys, this is the aftermath. I paid 179 in total for 3 ginabos, 3 lumpia, and 1 tinagas, and 2 puso. And these are my friends.
Usa ka puso, usa ka soft drink.
So I'm gonna ask them now, how was their experience in Pungko-Pungko sa Fuente?
10 over 10. The puso is so tasty.
Only the puso.
The sauce is so spicy and I like spicy.
Lex. Well, how was your Pungko-Pungko experience? No comment. How about you, girl?
안녕하세요.
My friends are foreigners. They don't know how to speak in English. Okay, guys! Let's go! It's still the Pungko-Pungko that we tried before. The Pungko-Pungko is like the random street foods that are being fried by stall vendors, street vendors. So yeah, it was literally originated in the Visayas, Cebu City.
Visayas region of the Philippines.
In the Visayas region of the Central Visayas Northeast. Guys, that's it for today's vlog, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!